What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Walmart Wednesday. I am thrilled to bring you dresses. All of these dresses are going to be under $30. Yes, I think I have 5, maybe 6. I can't remember. Let's get right into it. Yes, my hair is poker straight. If you saw Monday's video, you know that I had a Keratin Express treatment and it's driving me crazy because I feel like my head shrunk. It's just a weird vibe for me to look into my camera here and see this skinny, silky hair. You know, you guys know I have very thick, coarse hair and tons of it. I lost like 10 pounds in my hair, okay? That's how I feel right now. All right, anyway, I can wash it tomorrow, so I'll be back to my normal crazy haired self, but it'll be a little more sleek, smooth, and shiny, I guess, right? All right, we're not here to talk about my hair once again. Here I go. Okay, look at this dress, you guys. Madden NYC. It's a halter dress. It cinches in at the waist, a nice thick piece of gathering elastic or whatever. It's 2-tiered and it's in this really cute print. It's sort of tropical. I guess these are palm leaves. It's got a black background with the green palm leaves all over it. My favorite part is the back. Check that out. So cute, you guys. I love, love, love this. I also love that this is elastic because it's not like digging into me or anything like that. Of course, I have these on underneath. What else is new? But I just love it. And just for you all, you guys know I don't like to wear black shoes. I have these new black sandals on, heeled sandals. They're adorable. They are made by the people that make Sam and Libby. Sam and Libby is a company that's been around forever. You would think I worked for them. I did a little Googling, okay? Not sponsored at all. But Sam and Libby is also Sam Edelman, the higher end division of the shoes. Did I leave my 90s phone on? Hold on, you guys, I'll be right back. All right, it was just UPS telling me that one of my packages will be delayed. What package is this? I have no idea. You guys would die if you saw my doorstep on a daily basis. Anyway, where were we before my 90s house phone rang? My Lord. Kidding. I just have to make a big deal, tease myself. Guys, I love these earrings. I wish I could link them for you. They're kind of like leaves. They go really well with this dress, but they're from the earring wall right inside the store at Walmart. You guys know about my straw bag. You know I'm totally like, where did I leave off? Oh, Sam and Libby. Okay. So back to your history lesson for today on the Sam and Libby Shoe Company. I'm cracking up. So you're getting Sam and Libby at Walmart. Sam Edelman, you can get it like Nordstrom. They're a little, maybe their higher end division. And then I am wearing Circus by Edelman, which is another more affordable division of Sam Edelman. Wow. Hire me, Sam, Libby, you out there? They're a husband and wife, by the way. All right, so that's what these shoes are, you guys. They're made very well. They have a nice rubber bottom. I absolutely love when I'm wearing shoes that I don't have to worry about I'm gonna go ice skating in them. Or if I'm walking through the halls at work, I'm not ding, ding, ding. You know, there's no sound whatsoever to these. I pride myself on that as I walk through the halls at my building. So you guys are gonna love these, and they have that cute little strap. I'll put a picture up so you can see them closer. That goes around your ankle. So, you know, I'm not a huge fan of black on my legs just because, but I did it for you all because some of you might be like, okay, Liz, we all have 10 pairs of nude shoes. We're all done. How about the oversized baguette so we can do all black? I don't even recognize myself. Who am I with these black accessories? Nude, blush, where are you? All right, you guys, so this is dress number 1. These are all gonna be under $30 from Walmart, our fave, and I'll be back. All right, I am back with my next under $30 dress. This one's by Time and True. This one you could wear to work in the summertime. It's Liz approved. I promise you won't get in trouble. It's one of those cute tiered dresses, except it's not tier. You just have 2 of them. So right at the bust line here and then right again at the bottom. It's very loose and not form-fitting at all, not my huge, but I thought that some of you might like it. Now, you know my style is a little different than this, but this is also something that's universally flattering on all body types. So here it is. It's not sleeveless, it has sleeves, and it's really pretty. I love this muted gray color. I don't know why, it was just something different. I've been feel like a lot of corals and of course black. So I thought the gray would be really pretty. It does come in a bunch of colors. So click on my link below and you can see all the different colors that it comes in. But you guys, once in a while, you just want to be free nice and cool, nothing skin tight or pulling or tugging or anything like that. I kept on the black shoes, but of course you know, you can wear nude with these as well. And then carrying still again that black baguette. So this is one you can absolutely wear to work. All of my jewelry, by the way, will be linked below. These are my Geo Circle earrings, my sideways gold initial necklace, and the stone rings and bracelets, all linked below. I do like this dress, I honestly do. I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, Liz, you're not sleeveless, it's not skin tight, you're not showing off your waist. I know, but you know, comfort is also important to all of us. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this dress. Is this something that you would lean more towards, or are you like me and you gotta have, you know, just a little bit of a fitted or edge to things? I don't know. Let me know. Okay guys, now this one is conservative, but it's more up my alley because it cinches at the waist. I need something to show that I have a form of some kind underneath my dresses. I think because I'm not 100% in love with my legs, so if legs is your feature, that last gray dress, by the way, which is under $15, I know, would be for you. Because that is gonna just be cute around your body, not necessarily show anything that you're not happy with, and then feature your legs. So I think I'm gonna say that's why. All right, you guys, this one is by Free Assembly. If you remember, I showed you a denim dress. It was very, very similar to this. It was that shirt dress. I love pink this year. Any excuse I can get to wear these pink braided sandals, which by the way, are on rollback for $13, I will take it. I love this pockets. Here's the back. It gets, whoops, a little longer. Excuse me, I have not taken the tag off. It gets a little longer in the back, which I love. You can absolutely wear this to work. When I tell you these braided sandals are comfortable, I wear them to work constantly. I have the black, and I have these pink ones as well. I just absolutely love them. They're worth getting for $13. You're gonna, I promise you, you're gonna wear them. You wouldn't believe how many times I wear these pink sandals. All right, I think I drove my coin home. Straw bag, my fave, the clutch. I will link that below. Still wearing the same jewelry, you guys. But I wanted to bring you some stuff you can wear to work. Again, now, wait a minute. I think I said everything's under $30, but Free Assembly might not be. I'll put the price up on the screen if it's not. I bet it is though. I don't think I would have picked it. Sometimes I buy the stuff so far in advance and then I get it and I forget the pricing, I forget it, sizes, whatever, but this is in a size small, that much I can tell you. So yeah, if the gray one is something that you like, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always dressing for myself and I forget sometimes about you guys. That's why I'm bringing you more work clothes. That was a request. Can we get something we can actually wear to the office? Here you are. I'll be back. All right, guys, I am back with my next dress. We are still doing 5 dresses under $30, maybe 6, I can't remember. But I switched out some jewelry here, long dangling diamond-shaped gold earrings, large gold medallion necklace. I did want to show you that trio of stone rings. I'm always wearing the pink one and the black one. Comes with a plain gold one, and it comes in handy in certain situations, like the fact that I'm wearing this green dress, green and off-white, I guess. You don't want to wear black or pink with it, right? So I just put on the plain gold. And I switched shoes already, so then I thought, let me just put on the ones I like, and then I'll give you guys more choices. So check out the dress, first of all. It is a midi dress. Look at these cute little pockets in front. I know, how stinking cute. Let me back up. And I paired it with my gold wedges. I grabbed this really cute round, like mini duffel nude purse that I got. I think this is Giselle, right? Yes, Giselle makes the cutest purses for Walmart.com. I absolutely love them. Isn't that so cute? I love the shape of it. So anyway, here is the dress. It's got that off-white background with the green pattern and these cute little patch pockets, I guess you call them, in the front. It does button all the way down. And the nice thing is that these straps on the back are adjustable. So I was able to tighten them where I needed to. And then the waist is also adjustable. This actually is a functional. You're so used to me saying a non-functional drawstring. This one's functional and it cinches you in at the waist. So what I was thinking was you might want to wear nude and you might want to cash the dress up a bit. So I have these nude flip-flops I just bought. I think they were $7. Let's see, I still have the tag, $8. Aren't they so cute? Whoops, sorry, here I am. And totally disappeared. thought they would be cute with a dress like this when you just want to be casually comfortable, you know, hanging out in the warmer weather. This could be a really cute outfit as well, especially if you're in a backyard or, you know, somewhere where you really don't feel comfortable in a heel. So this is another dress by Time and True. I thought the tag was hanging. It is, but they don't give you prices when you order online. Ow. Paper cut in a bad spot, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, I will link it below, and I know that all of these dresses so far, $30 or less. I know, can you believe it? All right, let's keep going. I am back with my final dress. I do believe this one is under $30 as well. Where's my memory lately, you guys? Seriously? Okay, this is a BCBG dress, BCBG Paris, from Walmart, of course. And I absolutely love it. Here's the price. I meant to make this haul 5 dresses under $30, $30 or under, or something like that. So hopefully I really did do that. You know, I'm telling you guys, my mind sometimes is all over the place, especially when I have skinny hair. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Check out this dress. Okay, as I mentioned, it's BCBG from Paris, and that was a really cool brand. They used to have, again, I think this is another designer that has different divisions. So BCBG Paris is at Walmart. At Lord & Taylor, they used to have, I think it was like Maximera or something like that. And they had their own section, and the cashiers only worked for the designer. So you couldn't go to the BCBG desk and cash out just your regular clearance shirt like I tried to. You would get rejected. It's okay. We no longer have Lord & Taylor here in Buffalo, which I really do miss it. They had really cute things. All right, I'm totally already off on a tangent, you guys. This is not why you're here, to hear my old Lord & Taylor's stories, right? So this dress is gorgeous. It has pockets. It is kind of in a clingy fabric, so I did put our favorites on. No harm in those. Here's a picture of them. If you haven't gotten them yet, what are you waiting for? I think they come in a nude and black pack, which I always show the picture of. I think those have been sold out for a while. They might be back in stock, I haven't checked. But the 2-pack of black are in stock. Just buy them, okay? You will not regret it. They are so comfortable. You don't even feel like you're wearing them, and they do the job. Check out this smooth behind. I'm not kidding. This is not a filter or trick photography, okay? This thing is nice and smooth because of those shorts. So anyway, I'm wearing the knotted nude heels. I think I had to put nude back on. And I'm carrying my LV Dupe crossbody bag with the gold chain. I've shown you this a zillion times, but it's a fan fave. And you can swap out this gorgeous chain if you want to show it more casually with this guy right here. So that is an option. And I love the way these bracelets look with this. So cute. All right. So what I want to show you is how the dress comes. Now this dress, the straps are not adjustable. I'm wearing it in a size small. I felt like it wasn't hitting me exactly where I wanted it to. Like if you do this, it's just kind of dowdy. Now if you want something more, you know, just kind of hanging off you like that, then go for it. It almost looks like a drop waist in the back when I do it like that. You can try and pull it up a bit. It does stay, but you know I am extra. So I ran to my closet and got this faux crack belt by Scoop that has so many uses. Stuff like this, you guys, can extend your wardrobe or change outfits up for you just this quickly. So here it is, just kind of hanging, right? So I ran and got this. And in my opinion, it changed the whole dress. You can adjust it. You know, this back here is elastic, which I love. So if you want to, like, you know, move it around, up and down, whatever you want to do, you can do it. But you guys, I feel like this dress paired with this belt especially has such like a late 80s, early 90s retro look to it, which is totally on trend. So I just love the way this whole thing looks. I really, really am happy with how it turned out. And I haven't yelled at you this entire time to say stick around for the lip combo. So those of you that are still here, thank you for sticking around for the lip combo. By the way, you guys, make sure you're following me over on Instagram. It's just at Life and Style by Liz over there. I also have a page on the LTK app where you can see all of the things that I show you in all of these hauls in just still photos, and all the links are underneath. I recently said in one of my videos that it's kind of like a yearbook of my, it's like a yearbook of my YouTube channel. All the still shots with a little caption underneath. It makes it nice and easy. It's all in one spot. It's a free app. It's just LTK. All right, so let's go over my lip combo. I am still in love with this Wet n Wild Brandywine number 666. Did my eyes turn red when I said that? It is just the perfect color. I told you guys my hairdresser tipped me off on this one, and she wasn't kidding around. All right. Love the dark definition. A little bit higher above and below. Natural on the sides. Then you guys, this is not Walmart. It's not drugstore, but you can get it on Amazon. It was closer to $20. I know. Hear me out. It's a really pretty matte nude that doesn't dry the heck out of your lips. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? It's called Posh and it's by Mellow Cosmetics. Fill that all in. Look at that. Pretty color, you guys. I really do love it. And then I came in, you can do one of two things once you're at this point, and I'll show you both. So I originally came in with my favorite e.l.f. cream, which is, you know, that pretty pale color, and I use it, I'm trying to take off all the dark, in the center, just to give me that dimension of, you know, the dark, the little bit lighter, and then the lighter in the dead center. And that's gorgeous. But I was filming all day, and by the end of the day, you know, as the day went on, I should say, my lips were like, my face in general looked dry to me. So I hit it with some setting spray, and then I came in with this face. So you can leave it like this, or skip the e.l.f. cream and just come in with this. It's entirely up to you. Hopefully I've trained you on lip combos so far. You know what to do. Came in with Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the color Crystal. Look at that. Just to brighten up my face. I was looking dull. I don't know why. I'm gonna drink some water too. Hold on. Stay hydrated, people. Okay, that's it. So what do you think? I love this, love this lip combo. Whoa. The only thing about gloss is the hair gets caught. I just like dragged a piece of hair over there. That's not part of the lip combo. All right, I'm getting goofy. It's time to wrap her up. One last look at this gorgeous 90s look. I'm loving it. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all enjoyed today's Walmart Wednesday, and I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.